A very good morning to everyone at Dr. Sobi. I'm Hu Xiumin and my partner is Choi Si-hui. We are from Group B2. The topic of our project is Traditional Chinese Herbs Mobile Applications and our supervisor is Fan Aini. First of all, let me introduce about the project background. For your information, Chinese herbs has been used widely for many centuries and often used in additions with modern medicine. It is perceived to have fewer side effects and offer a safer alternative compared with modern pharmaceutical. Many people do not explore the impressive health benefits that can be gained from Chinese herbal remedies. An application that best replacing books will be developed and get to the information needed easily. It will be an application that gives information about all important herbs that we can use on daily basis to lead a healthy life. Next, I will proceed to problem statement. There are various kinds of Chinese herbs in the market and people do have limited knowledge on it. There are people who get to know the name of a particular herbs but do not know the herbs looks like and the benefit of it. People tend to do some research on the herbs for the diagnosis purposes through website. However, searching information through website requires user to get connected to the network and internet. The objective of this project is to develop a mobile applications that provide information of Chinese herbs on daily basis to the adults aged between 20 to 65. The following are the sub-objectives. First, to enable users to have fast access to Chinese herbs information with the search function. Second, to save time and confusions as useful information is made readily available at their fingertips. The last one is to provide alternative home remedy formula as a reference for the users.
In this project, an application will be developed and it is focused in providing information of Chinese herbs in details, medical functions, and remedies for common symptoms. The target user will be adults aged between 20 to 65. Multimedia elements such as text, video, and graphic will be included to build the content of this application. The ADDIE model will be applied and included 5 phases. ADDIE model is one of the most common models used in the instructional design field as a guide to producing an effective design. The analyze phase is the first phase of this project. We decide our concept that we want to develop for the project. The concept of this project is to develop an application which introduces about traditional Chinese herbs to the users. Based on the concept, we will identify project background, scope, and objective. For design phase, a requirement analysis will be done by interviewing Chinese practitioners and conduct a survey with the user. Their feedback will be transformed into need analysis. Low fidelity prototype will build based on the need analysis. For the develop phase, the process of building the application will start including multimedia elements using selected software. In the implementation phase, the application will be trying out by the user to test and give feedback about the application. The last phase of the methodology is the evaluation, distribution of the evaluation form to the users who try the application in earlier phase. Then we will collect the evaluation data, interpret the data result by analyze the recommendations and finalize it in a report. For the conclusion, traditional Chinese herbs is an important practice that has a history of thousands of years. It is becoming increasingly prevalent and used as alternative to Western medicine approach. Through this project, an informative application on traditional Chinese herbs will be developed for the users. Users can search the properties of herbs easily and get instant feedback without wasting their time. Users can get helpful home remedies to improve and correct imbalance in the body through this application.